Okay, these notes are over the moon. We are going to talk about the inside of the moon, its layers, and the outside of the moon, so the crust and the moon's surface. Let's start with the atmosphere. There isn't one. That's easy. If we go in... On the outside of the moon, we know that it gets hit by craters a bunch. So that's what these impacts are that you see here. These circles, those are going to be craters. This just means that the moon has been hit by craters. The surface of the moon is dry and dusty because there is no water on the moon. Earlier, I believe it was last week, we said that the moon used to have volcanoes on it billions of years ago. Those volcanoes left behind dark areas. So these are essentially lava that is hardened. These are mountain ranges. Marias, we talked about these also last year. Low flatlands. They were once lakes. Okay, that's basically all you need to know about the moon's surface. There is no atmosphere. It has been impacted by craters millions of times and counting. It is dry, it is dusty, it is rocky. There are mountain ranges and there are very low parts of the land, which are called Marias, which we believe were once lakes before the moon lost all its water. Now we need to go inside the moon. Just like in the Earth, we have a core. We believe the moon's core is possibly iron. We've never actually gone down to it. If the moon's core is made of iron, it does support the theory of why the moon is magnetic, or it has a magnetic field. And we do know that the moon has a magnetic field or a magnetic pull due to gravity because of our tides. When the water goes in and out, that is because of the moon's pull. The next layer, going in and out, the non-rigid asthenospheric mantle. Guys, this all you need to know is that it's part solid, part not. So part of it is liquid, most likely molten lava. The other part is really hard. Semi means part. In the Earth's layers, we have two cores, inner core and outer core, and in the moon, we have two mantles, the non-rigid mantle and then the rigid mantle. So this one is extremely hard. This is over 1,000 kilometers thick, or right around it. So sort of think of it like 1,000 miles. Our last part is our crust. The crust is 60 to 100 kilometers thick, or 60 to 100 miles thick. Not too bad. Covered with rock and loose soil. Okay, so we've gone over the 4 layers of the moon: the core, non-rigid mantle, rigid mantle, and the crust. And we've talked a little bit about the moon's surface. It has no atmosphere. It is impacted by craters daily. It is dry, it is dusty, it is rocky. There are mountain ranges and there are low flat lands called Marias or Lunar Marias. Same thing.